What's up everybody, Tony here with iTech Check. Today we're going to be taking a look at Ringke's full case lineup for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, as well as a few other accessories that I'm really sure you guys are going to want to check out. I will be putting links in the description for all of these products in case you guys want to pick them up yourself. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews for you guys. So I've been using Ringke cases now for quite some time. I've used it on my Galaxy S10 Plus. I have it on my iPhone XR. I also have it on my iPhone 11 Pro Max, which you can't see because I'm using it to record. And I'm going to be using it on my Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. They have great protection, great materials. The clear portions of the cases do not yellow, and it won't break the bank like some of these other companies that are charging like $40, $50 for a piece of plastic. So we're going to go over, again, their whole case lineup and then some of their accessories. So let's go ahead and get started. So the first case that we're going to be taking a look at, and my favorite, is the Fusion X Camo. This case has saved my phone a couple times because it has some reinforced edges on the side. I also like the texture that it has on the back, does not show fingerprints whatsoever. And I love the fact that they've separated the power button and the volume buttons as well. So first, before you put your phone in here, you're going to want to take out this protective cover. Okay, and then once that's out, you can go ahead and just pop the phone in. Now I will tell you, I do have a glass screen protector on my phone right now. But as you can see, even with the glass screen protector, it still has a raised lip. And that's just in case you put your phone face down on something, you'll know that it's not going to touch the screen. And it's also nice to know that I do have a glass screen protector and it still has a good edge. And there's some little holes in case you want to put like a little lanyard. And then here we have our cutouts for our charging cable, the mic, our speaker, and our S Pen. You can still get to that, no problems. Got our power button and the volume rockers. Like I said, every one of them separated so you can feel the difference. You're not kind of searching around. Feels good in the hand. Buttons, super clicky. They work great. You can still access the side edges here. Like I said, by far, this is one of my favorite cases just because I like the back, the way the back looks there. And then, of course, it protects your camera bump because it still does have a raised edge, even for your camera. So that's the Fusion X Camo. Okay, then here we have another Fusion X, but this one has a clear back, so you can clearly see the color of your phone. And you're going to want to take out this protective cover first. That looks pretty nice. You can fully see the color of your phone. But yet this one has the same protection. Everything else is the same as the first camo. It's just this one has a totally clear backing so you can see the color of your phone, which is really nice. Not slippery, definitely feels good in hand. Next up we have the Fusion. This is not the Fusion X. It's totally clear. It has a nice hard backing on it, but it's got nice soft edges. As you can see, it still has good edge protection, but it's not reinforced like the Fusion X is. And again, you're going to want to take off that protective cover on the back and on the inside. So let's see, there's an edge here. As you can see, there is still an edge on here, even with that screen protector. And there's also a raised edge for your camera bump. The buttons here are still separated. It's not as prominent as the Fusion X, but it still is raised, so you don't have to really hunt for the volume and power buttons. There's your cutouts. Still easily get to your S Pen. Buttons. Clicky. Very responsive. And it's nice and grippy in your hand, so you don't have to worry about that. And then here you can totally see the whole color of your phone. So if you like to see the color, you're probably going to want to get the clear Fusion. And there's our edge protection. You can see there's still a raised bump to protect if it falls on the edge. Fingerprints doesn't really show, so I don't think that's going to be a fingerprint magnet either. Looks pretty good. Still nice and clear. Now here is another Fusion case. It is clear, but it has a frosted back on here to show even less fingerprints. I think I probably like this one a little better than the totally clear. I just kind of like the frosted look, and it feels really smooth, kind of like the back of the Note does. Now here's another Fusion case. It's pretty much exactly the same as the first one I just showed you, the clear one. It has a nice hard backing with some rubber edges, but this one has a frosted matte back on it, similar to the backing on the actual phone itself. It's kind of smooth, and it doesn't show fingerprints whatsoever. So again, it's still got that nice clear edge. It also has the little lip on the top and the bottom, but on the back here, it's got that nice frosted look. It definitely matches the phone, and if you're really worried about fingerprints, you don't have to worry about this because this doesn't pick up fingerprints at all. I like the frosted back one. If I was going to pick a clear one, this would probably be the one I would get. Our next case is the Ringke Air S. Now this case comes in 3 different colors. It comes in the black, it comes in pink, and a lavender. This one is totally flexy. You can bend it. Feels pretty smooth. It has a smooth feel to it on the back, but it's not a slippery rubber that's gonna like slip out of your hand. Yeah, it's got a nice feel to it. It's nice and soft. It still has that raised edge for your camera bump, and the buttons right here, easily accessible and separated. All your cutouts. Get to your S Pen just as easy. And then here you still have that raised edge. Buttons, nice and clicky. Again, it's pretty grippy in your hand. You don't have to worry about this slipping out of your hand at all, but it is made of that nice soft material. Feels really cool. Kind of like the back of the Note 20 Ultra. And then here we have the Air Clear. Again, it's made of that very flexible TPU material. This one's pretty grippy as well. It's not as smooth on the back as the other one is, but it's all clear. It's got those micro dots on the inside to decrease the rainbow effect. As you can see, there is no rainbow effect. As you can see, it's still got that raised edge. Shows off the color of your phone, very nice. You can see those little micro dots in there. There's your power button and your volume. It's got the raised edge for your camera bump. All your cutouts on the bottom. Definitely grippy in the hand. Buttons are clicky, easily accessible. And again, it doesn't really show fingerprints either, even though it is shiny. So that's it for the case lineup. Let's go ahead and look at some of the accessories. So here we have the Ringke Dual Easy Wing Screen Protector. It comes in a 2-pack. This is a film screen protector, but the really nice thing about this is it curves underneath the phone, so it makes sure that it holds the screen down and doesn't cause any peeling. Now, I did include this in my best and worst screen protectors for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, so if you guys want to check out the installation and what I thought of it, check out the link in the description, or I will be putting something you can click right above here. Now here we have a USB-C to HDMI cable. This really comes in handy, especially if you guys are on the go and you need to use your phone for screen mirroring. Say if you want to play some video games on the Xbox streaming app, or if you guys want to use DeX and you want to use your phone as a desktop, you can do that too. This easily plugs right into the phone, and the other end plugs into your TV or monitor. You can also pick this up on their website, and I will be putting a link in the description for this as well in case you guys want to pick this up. So that's pretty much it for the case lineup and accessories for the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra. I will be putting links again for all these products in case you guys want to pick them up. And if you guys like me and you want to support my channel, please use those links because it helps me keep purchasing products to do reviews to you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that little notification bell to let you guys know when I put out new videos. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Later.